We're going in the mountains.
Cool. Almost there. Missed it.
I did? No. Alright, we're heading into the main gate now. I know, it's Star Wars stuff. See how it's carved into a mountain? Cool.
I wonder if it's yeah.
Yep.
Right, son?
He said right sons.
What's that?
He said right sons.
Oh.
That's cool.
That's cool.
This is amazing. I love it. That's right out of my childhood. Oh, this is cool. That's very cool. It's got all the pottery stuck in the wall.
Awesome.
Thermal detonators. Lights, uniforms. Very cool. Helmets. They have to touch, huh?
They do.
That's cool. Another flight uniform. X-wing suits.
Alright, the free party of two, welcome to the Resistance.
Wow.
Give me 1 second there, 3 more minutes.
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander, now please report back to ITS cockpit.
Wow.
Incoming transmission from Ray.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Linum and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pakara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Doors open now.
All recruits to transport.
I just want to be sure. All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds. Good.
No operatorio on hyperdrive.
Yes. Check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Hyperdrive ni chegani daro na FU.
Good. Airspeed sensor?
FU.
Thank you, Naida. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Poneme, nena weka system scan rege.
Affirmative.
Red okay.
Hyperdrive systems normal.
FU.
Main reactor.
Aya mutuma nake.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company, First Order TIE Fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us! I'm hit!
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw him away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from?
Get out there! More than that.
Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do, Naida? No, the tractor beam will be too strong. It's worth a shot. Full reverse.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Get out there.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Attention Resistance sympathizers, this ship is known to the command of the First Order. We will disembark the ship, proceed down the corridor to your right for interrogation. I'll move along.
Watch this. This is wild. Okay, that's enough. Thank you. Oh, this is so amazing. Reese, what do you think?
Forward. Forward. Keep moving.
We are now captured. We're captured.
Single file behind them on the right. Another unit up 2.
Keep your hands to yourself.
Prisoners are secure.
Mask up.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We'll need it on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo list, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant, cool idea. Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children.
Oh no.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on.
There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, go to the printer.
Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Seen all that fatigue. If anyone's playing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pods are below us. Wait. It's bad.
Your shooters.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Down the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
We're gonna get out of here. We're okay now. Uh-oh.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship.
Efforts are wasted. You cannot escape. Your precious resistance is about to be destroyed.
Here we go.
Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Alright, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
That was Rise of the Resistance. What do you think?
That was awesome.
That was amazing.
That was amazing and awesome and cool and all the above. Can we do it again?
Yes, we will probably should do it again another time.
Okay.
That's great.
That was awesome. Woo. That was amazing. I was just, woo!